Hey guys, today we are going to make a macrame ornament topper. Here's what it will look like when it's finished. To create this design, you will need 11 12-foot pieces and one 16-foot piece of scrap rope. If your rope is bigger than 1 to 2 millimeters in size, all you'll have to do is split your rope into sections. I'm using 3mm rope and I've split my rope into 2 sections. Grab the 16-foot piece of rope and make a loop around the top of the ornament. Attach the remaining 12-foot pieces around both strands of the loop using cow hitch knots. I added 9 strands here, but you will need to add 11 total, so add 2 more strands. I add my 2 strands later. Separate your strands into groups of 4. We will use 4 strands per diamond. Tie a double half hitch knot with the 2 middle cords. Using the inner right cord as your filler cord, tie another double half hitch knot working to the right. Using the same filler and working cord, tie another double half hitch knot working to the left. Repeat that process on the left side of your work. Tie another double half hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to connect your diamond at the bottom. Continue making small diamonds all the way around your work until you have 4 strands left. 2 of the strands that you have left should be the 2 strands that you made your loop with. Add your topper to your ornament and pull the 2 strands tight to make sure the loop is tight at the top. Once the loop is tight, tie the last small diamond. Trim the ends and brush them out. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial might be useful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.